Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Bread Cashback credit card. But before I dive into the details, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. What's the point of a credit card? Sure, they're convenient for making purchases and building credit, but ultimately, they're about getting value. And that's where the Bread Cashback credit card comes in. This card offers a straightforward and easy-to-use rewards program, unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase, every day. There are no categories to track, no gimmicks, just simple, straightforward rewards. But that's not all. The Bread Cashback credit card also comes with a number of other benefits, including no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, purchase protection, extended warranty protection, identity theft protection, and more. So, if you're looking for a credit card that offers great value and a simple, straightforward rewards program, the Bread Cashback credit card is a great option. But wait, there's more. I recently had the opportunity to interview a representative from Bread Financial, and I learned a few things that I think you'll find interesting. First, Bread Financial is a relatively new company, but they're already making a big splash in the credit card industry. They're committed to providing their customers with high-quality products and services, and they're constantly innovating to find new ways to improve their offerings. Second, Bread Financial is passionate about helping people achieve their financial goals. They offer a variety of resources and tools to help you manage your money, including a budgeting app, a credit score tracker, and a financial education center. Third, Bread Financial is committed to giving back to the community. They support a number of charities and organizations that are working to make a difference in the world. So, if you're looking for a credit card that offers great value, a simple rewards program, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, the Bread Cashback credit card is a great choice. The Bread Cashback credit card is a great option for anyone who wants a simple, straightforward rewards card that offers unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase. It's also a great choice for people who are looking for a company that is committed to customer satisfaction and giving back to the community. So, what are you waiting for? Apply for a Bread Cashback credit card today and start earning rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.